you ready for the structure of fall learning? Are your kids? In this video, I'm going to share some tips and ideas of transitioning from the summer ease to the fall schedule. Hi, I'm Kenna, and I help parents inspire an environment of learning in their home. I'm glad you're here. So here's the deal. I don't do well with rigid transitions. If I jump right from one schedule to another, I feel discontent and a little bit of anxiety even, I would say. So I prefer a transition period between new schedules. So in our family, we like to ease into a new schedule, and I'm going to share a few ideas of how this could look in your family and how it has looked in mine. One thing I've done that I feel is especially effective for younger kids is a family work week or a family work 2 days or whatever, right? A family work period where we organize the home, we clean the home deeply, we organize our school supplies, we do some projects in the home that are good, hard work. We have a few days of good, hard work, and then when we transition into the fall schedule, it actually feels like less work, less hard, because study feels like leisure after the work. Marcus Buckingham said, "Always work hard. Intensity clarifies. It creates not only momentum, but also the pressure you need to feel either friction or fulfillment." And this is the reason for that work period, is that it creates this sense of fulfillment and momentum that carries us through so that when we encounter the fall schedule, we're ready for it. We're ready for the hard work and ready for the new schedule with a sense of accomplishment, with momentum and fulfillment. And the bonus is that you start with a clean space. And I love that feeling. I love the feeling of starting in a clean space, all organized. And so that's a lovely way to transition in by doing some good hard work and then having a nice clean space. Studying feels like leisure, and you just switch into a schedule that is more structured than the summer schedule, but maybe less structured than that work week. Another idea is to start with a challenge of some sort. You could do a reading challenge, a typing challenge, a handwriting challenge, a bingo nature study challenge, any sort of challenge where you're inspiring them to work hard on one particular skill or subject and making it kind of into a game or a contest against yourself to see how well you can do. And it gives them a nice taste of a win right at the beginning and transitions from the ease of summer into the fall structure with some fun, excitement, and a win. Another idea that's kind of similar is you could start off with a learning camp, a kickoff of sorts, where it's just a fun together learning time where you get to explore a certain subject together. It could be a math subject, geometry camp. I've talked about those in a previous YouTube video. Or it could be a music camp where you're having fun with different styles of music and seeing stories in music form and learning about composers. You could do an art camp where you are trying out different art forms. You could do a science camp where you're actually staying up late looking at the stars, and then during the day you're journaling about it and you're learning about the stars and astronomy a little bit, and then at night you're doing that fun look at the stars kind of thing. So it makes it a fun kickoff where you're doing something together and fun, high energy that helps transition from that ease to the structure of fall. And the possibilities of these learning camps are endless. Pick something that your kids are interested in and go for it. And then a very simple one, which just makes sense, is to do halftime. Just start your schedule 3 days a week, and with the other 2 days as off days, right? Monday is fall schedule, Tuesday is summer schedule, Wednesday is fall schedule, etc., right? You can do days of the fall schedule interlaced with the summer ease schedule so that it feels like you're transitioning in before you go full time fall schedule. Or you could do, mornings you do learning time and afternoons are total free time, summer style. So you could ease into it half time. That's another idea. Which one sounds good to you? To see my process for creating the new family schedule every season, I invite you to watch the video that I made on creating family routines. I'll link that below. Here's to you, for seeking out the tools you need to create that home environment of learning in your home. You've got this.